How ChatGPT is changing SEO. When ChatGPT launched in November last year, it changed in internet. Today we speak to some startups and experts to understand how ChatGPT is changing SEO. The launch of ChatGPT in November 2022 has been a real game change for digital marketers across the world, and SEO professionals are still trying to navigate the potential benefits and power of the technology. The ability to type in the search query and throw live chat and get perfectly and uniquely written contact hosts several advantage for those looking to create more contact rapidly and scale their online business. Webmasters can also create codes faster than the can manually, and this can be used to complement a replace developer. However, this may also present more challenge with increased competition across the digital marketing landscape and question on how Google search results are going to react with increased marketing intelligence. We speak to some industry experts and startup marketers to get more insight into how to GTP changing SEO content creation for consumers. The ability to create unique content and it almost instantly is probably the biggest advantage of ChatGPT, and many SEO professionals may have been dubious at first. Explain Andrew Baker of finance startup Dodler, and writing unique content is something that is dialed into you from one day, and anything that is automated or too good to be true can only be negative for SEO. But the early evidence shows that GPT is consistent and the contracted product is unique and can rank well if one correctly and says shared Alan of divorce Bob, and when it might have typically taken you to 6 to 8 weeks to produce 50 pages of quality guide and blog posts. ChatGPT can do this in something like 3 hours. We can be able to add page from more than to 1600 area codes across the US using ChatGPT, and this would have been amounting to climb without AI are not something we would have considered doing. I still need a proper SEO person to interpret the right number and contact length and other SEO byte like link and heading, but it currently presents a very scalable way to push on contact, and it present enables possibility areas code time amount and the long tails keyword both domestically and if you were to launch into different countries. Staffing and outsourcing your contact and code have been popular for many years, with startup and companies using the like of Fiverr and outsourcing of India and Philippsing of their marketer team. But with ChatGPT, it question where you need to hear context staff at all, and urges Matthew Simmons and consumer finance. For years, there has been a question of whether you even need contact writer of developers in-house and why pay local rates when it's cheaper abroad. But today, it is the question of where you need to hire a rights and developers at all. This could means that thousands of contact writers could not out of work overnight. However, in practice, the early signs show that although millions are using ChatGPT, it is a small number of creative economic stock, and the traditional business are still preferring the manual approach. But who know if paid writers are using ChatGPT to do their work? Repeat prototype